Sarap buhay.
Good morning.
Si Menong pasaway. This is yung bed namin. Isang room. I cannot open it kasi baka pumasok yung lamok. Ayan.
I can see it.
Tapos, teka. This is yung yung ibang gamit. Ayan.
Wardrobe.
Wardrobe. Yeah, copy. Yan yung tent. Tapos, ito. Bibili pa kami ng carpet. Katulad nito. Yung nasa living room. Yan. Na kasing available. Yan. Okay. So, ayan. Bakit babe parang naka-zoom in? Can you zoom out? Because it's too... Huh?